Dakota Lithium Batteries are backed by a world-class 11-year warranty. With proper use, your Dakota Lithium battery will get the longest possible lifespan. That said, the life of your battery depends on use. If the battery is used at maximum discharge, usually 1C, then the lifespan is typically 2,000 recharge cycles, or roughly 5 to 10 years with regular use. When used at less than 0.2C discharge, the lifespan increases up to 6,000 recharge cycles. Here's a few ways to increase the lifespan of your battery. Make sure your application, how you are using the battery, matches the uses that the battery is designed for. The battery size and specifications should match the application. Excessive stress on the battery will likely damage the cells and decrease the life of the battery. Please see our video on how to check to make sure your equipment is compatible with lithium batteries. Avoid charging the battery below freezing temperatures unless the battery has internal heating, such as the DL+ 12V 135 or 280 amp-hour batteries. Please see our video on the internal heating plates in these batteries for more information. Use dielectric grease and/or terminal covers on the terminals to protect from corrosion. Please see our video on how to hook up your battery for more information. Use a battery box or battery tray that protects the battery from water. DL batteries are water resistant at an IP65 to IP67 rating, depending on the battery. But terminals may corrode if repeatedly exposed to salt water, and sitting in standing water for extended periods is not recommended for batteries. For high discharge applications, use higher capacity batteries. For example, air conditioning in an RV uses 70+ amps continuous. A 100 amp-hour battery could work, but the high amp draw will reduce the lifespan over time. A 280 amp-hour battery would provide a longer runtime, while also having a longer battery life. For more information, please check out our video on how to size a battery bank for your system. If you have any questions, please feel free to email support@dakotalithium.com to reach out to us.